Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soft, fluffy cake in just 3 minutes using a blender. Yes, no stress, no long process, just quick, simple and very delicious. Let's get started. The ingredients that we need today in order to produce this cake, we are going to need 1 cup of flour. Yes, 1 cup of flour. Half a cup of sugar. That's the only thing we are going to need. 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar. Then we need 2 eggs, half a cup of milk. Yes, and 2 tablespoons of butter or oil. You can use butter, you can use oil, any of your choice. So we are going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and also 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Yes, vanilla flavor. That's all you need for you to produce one small fluffy cake. Okay, in just 3 minutes you can produce it. That is all you need. So step 1, what you are going to do is that you are going to add all your ingredients into your blender. Make sure you put the wet ingredients first, like the milk, eggs, oil or butter, before adding the dry ones like flour and sugar. This helps everything to mix well. Now blend for about 1 to 2 minutes until the batter is smooth and creamy. Look at that, no lumps, just a nice silky cake mixture. So grease your cake pan lightly with butter or oil. This is very important because it prevents the cake from sticking. Now pour your blended batter into the pan. Remember to fill it only halfway because the cake will rise while cooking. Then place the pan into the oven or your improvised oven, yes, like putting stones in your pot and put it on a low heat gas. When the time is up, bring it out carefully. It will be hot. And just look at that, your soft and fluffy cake is ready. You can enjoy this plain cake, or you can enjoy the cake plain, or you can get creative by adding fruit, chocolate syrup, or even a little whipped cream on top. This is the perfect recipe for when you want something sweet, quick and easy. Would you try this 3-minute blender cake? If yes, drop a yes in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more quick recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.